Hi guys, and welcome to another video about Amazon Marketing Cloud audiences. Now, in my previous 3 videos, I covered different audiences based on impressions, based on the type of ads, based on multiple detail page views, and there are some that can be used for multiple use cases. Now, today I want to cover the last of this series of audiences, which will be audience based on sponsor ad keywords. Now, this is particularly interesting because with this audience, you can segregate your audiences based on the most important keywords. For example, if you have the hero keyword that you want to really bid aggressively, you can put that keyword in the filter down below. So the structure is usual as I already explained in the previous videos. The only difference is that now you can specify sponsor ad keywords, so provide a list, one per line. So if you, for example, only want to target whatever jump rope, you just put it over here, and then you will build an audience from the people who only searched for that keyword but did not purchase. So that's very powerful. So you can also do that for a single keyword campaigns, which you can maybe then use for ranking campaigns, or you can specify 5, 10, or different number of keywords and then have a groups of people who searched certain keywords, and then you can bid aggressively on those kind of audience. I think that there are multiple use cases for this. If somebody searched for your most important keywords but didn't buy, and they're now again searching for the same keyword, that's really hot lead, so and that's where you want to bid more aggressively than on any other. I hope this is clear. I'm not going into too many details because I already covered all the other most important audiences based on different kind of behavior. So if you need a little bit more deeper, go back to that. If not, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.